Ever feared losing your Wikipedia account because you never added an email? Learn how to add your email in under 2 minutes and secure your account for good. We'll start by opening your profile menu, locating the Add Email option, typing in your address, and confirming the change. Start by clicking your profile name in the top corner to open your account menu. Then look for the Add Email option in that drop-down list. Click Add Email to bring up the field where you can enter your address. Now, type your email address into the box that appears. Click Change Email to confirm. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.